Everybody, we are back, and today what we're going to do is put things in a microwave. Today we're going to put different objects in a microwave. We have some steel wool, some soap, some batteries, CDs. Get excited. Little toy animals. Let's go. All right, we've got the animals in there. How's that look? Cool. I reckon 2 minutes is sufficient for time. Oh my god. So the camera, we've just started the animals in the microwave. Dylan's here. Say hello, Dylan.
Yo. The microwave's fucked.
Say hello. Patrick's here. It's already starting to smoke. The control number.
I don't think anything's happening.
Bath soap. Let's see what happens if the microwave still functions. Okay, so if the microwave still functions, what's going to happen?
Shit's gonna happen.
I don't know. Shit's going to happen, or I don't know. Let's see. There we go. It still works. It's not doing anything. It's just trying to work by the sounds.
Fail.
All right, we're just going to put all the soap in and yeah, just try that again, I guess. Should we chuck some batteries in there for good measure? Probably. Let's see what happens now. This is a dumb idea. And we'll chuck the steel wool back in there. Alright. Nothing happened when we put it in there. Alrighty, so as you can see, the soap really didn't do much. The first one we put in there went crazy. Ah, that's hot on the inside. So this time we're just going to chuck all the metallic objects in there and we'll go from there and we'll see what happens. Chuck some matches in there for good measure, I guess. Why not? See what happens. Do not try this at home. We are trained rednecks, trained bogans here. Let's do it. 5 minutes on the clock. Something's burning. Could smell something burning. Patrick's ready with a fire extinguisher. Safety inspector on site. Oh god. Do you really want to find out? We're flame, ladies and gentlemen. Something is on fire inside the microwave. We have combustion, Patrick. We have combustion.
Created fire.
We have created fire. Man creates fire. We got flames. We have flames. Whoa. See, the match is caught on fire. See, look. Match is caught on fire. It's probably been from the CD. Look at that. CD all messed up. Heaps of all the other CDs are... Can I set it on fire?
Sure.
Yes. We've got some petrol. Look at the can. I accidentally ran over it the other day. Got him. That for un momento. Got the glass. Look at that, an absinthe glass of all things. Remember, don't try this at home. It's like that much.
Why are you doing it?
I don't know. So we need a climax. So I just pour it in, close the door, and try and turn it on.
Guess so.
Do you think that would take all the oxygen out so the fire wouldn't... Let's find out.
Just pour a little bit in, just to see what happens at the start. Just put a little bit in, don't put it all.
We'll remove this. Alright, I've poured about half of the glass in there.
Kinda don't want to get microwave embedded in my skull.
Fire extinguisher at the ready. Burnt out a little bit inside. You can see that. The door's melted a little. Okay, so for the final thing, let's just put everything and the petrol in there. Sounds like a good idea, doesn't it?
No.
Well, one of the batteries exploded. Look.
Don't touch it then.
Now you're just making a fire.
Yeah, well, that's what part of my intention was. Putting the petrol in the microwave. Sufficiently doused. Dry my hands so my hands don't catch on fire.
But your pants will catch on fire.
Alright. And in 3, 2, 1. Singe my arm and his.
Wow.
Wow. So now we have everything in there. What do you reckon?
I think it's about as good as it's gonna get.
Yeah, that was pretty lackluster.
Leave the door open just to watch it burn.
Well, it's already on fire. That was cool.
For some reason, camera operator stopped recording, so now we're going to reshoot it. Notice fire extinguisher everywhere. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully do some more videos coming up. Hopefully within the next, I'll try and do once a week and whatever. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching.
You're on fire then. I hope it looks good.
Thanks for watching, guys. BrennanBlogs. Road to 50 subscribers.
Still the road to 50. That's the best saying. Become your motto.
Road to 50. Road to 50 subs, guys.
Oh god.